What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy M4 Pat coming at you live with another new and exciting video. Today we officially have the install of the Adro bumper on my G82 M4. I know it's been very anticipated by a lot of friends and family, subscribers. You guys are my family too. So stay tuned, guys. Finally, we're gonna get this done. Shop's been very busy. Shout out to Rodspeed, who take care of all of our installs, mods. They're gonna be getting it done. Shout out to the owner, Rodrigo, homie like family, Alex. Shout out to Adro. Can't wait to slap this bad boy on. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be recording. We will be vlogging the install. Maybe get a few questions answered from our guys at Rodspeed. So stay tuned. Okay. We got the Adro bumper right here, about to be installed. I love those little edges, so hard. Adro time, baby. Adro time. No, qué lindo, bro. Fuck the baby. ¿Cómo está, brother? Alright, guys, we are getting the OEM bumper removed and about to slap on that Adro. Yes, sir. It's my homie Lewis. He does all of the work on our cars for on the shop. Rodspeed. Shout out to Rodspeed. Luis, estoy cogiendo esto para el canal si no te... Voy
al lado del carro, yo...
derecha. Papi. Guys, this bad boy is on. Adro. We got the Adro lip. Guys, game changer. Absolute insane game changer. Look at this. These gills, man. Oh my god, this bumper's so beautiful. Shout out to Adro. Guys, absolute fantastic work with this bumper. My goodness gracious. My goodness. This is insane. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And thank you everybody for joining me on this journey. My G82. We're just getting started. Wow.
They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own, but I'm end up with you home. You keep picking up the phone. Still I can go dirty stone. Till you blowing on my phone. Keeping with sexual tone. When I wanna leave alone. Till you blowing on my phone. Keep with sexual tone when I wanna leave alone. They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls, find me out here on my own. Keep blowing up my phone, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls, on my own. They say that I'm on the road, lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls, find me out here on my own. Keep blowing up my phone, lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls, on my own. You just take your time, tell me I'm alright, take me through your mind. Say I'm trying to fuck, I think that you're right. I still feel a thing when I look you in your eye. They say that on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls.